नमस्कार बंधुरा गोपा चक्रवर्ती एसेছি আজকে ग्रीन हाउस कोलकाता। ग्रीन हाउस is at टॉलीगंज मेट्रो स्टेशन as well as at कियातला रोड गड़ियाहाट। सो ड्रप इन যখন ইচ্ছে তখন চলে আসুন, একটু ফোন করে আসলে আরো সুবিধা হয়। আর নাও উই উড লাইক টু শো আর কটনস। আজকে কটনস ছাড়াও প্রচুর জিনিস আছে, পেশেন্টলি দেখুন। একটু আমি আজ অনেক রকম এনেছি, আমার সিগনেচার স্টাইলিং একটু শেষের দিকে আছে, আমি দেখাবো কি কি শাড়ি আমরা এনেছি। এক নম্বর শাড়ি দেখাই আমি। শাড়ি নাম্বার 1, দিস ইজ বেঙ্গল কটন আর নস্টালজিক লাগে। এগুলো কলেজ ডেজে আমরা অনেক পরেছি, এই দূরে শাড়ির বাহার, তখন খুব ভালো লাগার সময় আমাদের কলেজ ডেজ উইথ দিস ডুরেজ। সেইটাই এখন আবার এসেছে, রিভাইভাল অফ হরিজন্টাল স্ট্রাইপস। ভীষণ স্মার্ট ওয়্যার ফর 1250 only, 1250 for the smart Bengal cotton. Number 2, look at this saree. Again the horizontal stripes. When worn, they look very smart. I am remembering my college days. I was using these sarees often. Look at the saree. This goes like this. Come on, take it out. So breezy and beautiful. Fantastic. 1250 only, dear. Now let me do they have blouse pieces? No, not really. And this, so I have already taken one. This saree, look at the Ganga Jamuna border, broad theke finer stripes down below. Very comfortable price, 1350 only for this Bengal cotton. একেবারে সামারি, best in summers. So good. 1350. 1350 is a very pocket friendly price for these cottons. আরো দেখুন, এবার সুতির বাহার দেখাই আমি। Look at the cottons. Grab. Saree number 4. Saree number 4, which is 1350 again. 1350 lovely things, lovely things. Just you see, you drape it, it looks so nice, elegant. For 1350 only. Bengal cottons are for 1350 going rate. Oh, another good one. Lovely color. দেখুন একটু ড্রেপ করেও কি সুন্দর লাগে এগুলো, ভীষণ সুন্দর বাহার শাড়িগুলোর। Look at these. So smart. 1350 only. Drop in a message at WhatsApp. WhatsApp me. Oh, this is the central paneling one. Central paneling. A beautiful saree. All woven. They're all simple small temples all along. Very fine Bengal cotton. Very fine Bengal cotton. Hey, this has gone up. This is 1900. 1900 টাকা দাম। বড় বাহার এই শাড়িগুলোর। So elegant. Wonderful ones. This is for 1900, dear. They are so fine, I can't take it. Sari number, oh I picked up the 8th one also. Sari number 7. Sari number 7. Look at the sari. And shall we announce some discounts? Okay, 5% discount on all my Bengal cottons. 5% discount on all my Bengal cottons. This is number 7 for 1900 only. 5% discount on Bengal cottons. Look at this charm. How beautiful. Smart weave, classy, very elegant. This is for 1400. I dare not give discount. Anyway, I will give you 200 rupees discount on this. 200 rupees discount on this grey cotton. Yeah, we can't leave chanderis in summer. Very comfortable chanderis. But dear friends, they are all screen printed ones. They are not the original Azrak. They are the screen printed ones and they are going for 1680. This is going for 1680. 1680 dear. And with this kind of BP, you come on the straight line, you come here, yeah. This is like this, okay. This is for 1680. I am giving 200 rupees discount on chanderis. Number 10. Number 10. Number 10 is for 1680. Again on chanderis, I have told you I am giving 200 rupees off on chanderis with the blouse piece. Very graceful ones. 11 নম্বর দেখাচ্ছি 11 নম্বর দেখুন lovely chanderis. They are the screen printed ones dear. 1680 দাম, 200 rupees off on all these chanderis. খুব আরামে পরুন, আরামে ইউজ করুন, very good, খুব comfortable, হালকা শাড়ি. 1680 only. It's going for only 1680. Look at this. Oh, blouse piece is very attractive. Yeah, this is the blouse piece. Please do subscribe our channel, and we would like to have your comments. I look forward for your comments, please. And these are the chanderis, which are all wax batik. They are all handwork, wax batik. Look at the color, especially the color. Aaj line up করেছি, lot of chanderis will show you. This is actually silk cotton. And this is the blouse section. There is a border given. This costs 2800. We don't give discounts on these wax batiks. 13 নম্বর শাড়ি দেখিয়ে ফেলি. Number 13. Number 13. Is only for 2800 with a fine zari border. Zari border chanderi. দারুণ সুন্দর চান্দেরি গুলো কিন্তু। Look at the color, এগুলো ভীষণ সুন্দর। Look at the drape, it is slanting, it's raising design. It goes like this. ওদিকটা দেখাও একটু, কিরম ভাবে গেছে ডিজাইনটা দেখাবো। রেজ করে, তোমার হাতটা দেখো, তোমার হাতটা দাও। This side, yes. Yeah. This goes like this. And the blouse section. These chanderis are 2800. We are not giving any, we can't afford to give you discounts. Not at all. 2800. Number 14. Number 14, 2800 again. This will come in front at the yoke portion. It will be like this, and the archel, and there is a design on the pleats also. This is for 2800, dear. Yeah, this is also very nice. Number 15. Number 15. Number 15 is actually half and half saree. Number 15. Show me the other half. Rest of the half goes like this. This is black blue. This is blue actually, no? Navy blue. Deep navy blue. This is for 2800 again. And the blouse piece is a blue color only. Deep blue. Yeah. We have got things from Bhuj now. Silks from Bhuj. These are all with organic colors, not at all they are screen printed. They are all with organic colors. Mala, come on the straight line. Come here. Come in for, yeah. This is number 16. Number 16 goes like this. All with organic colors, green in color. Look at the archel section and the blouse. Lot of greens this time I got. 5200. No discount on these. 5200. No discount on these Azrak silks. 17 number shari. This is number 17. These are all on Bishnupur silks. We have sent the silk materials to Bhuj and got them from there. They printed for us. These are for 5200 only. 5200. Look at their craftsmanship. And this is the Palla section. Number 17. This is the blouse. Hey, now the red has come. Lalni hai bar maravadi. 5200. 5200. 5200. These are all rusty in color, not the typical red. They are all in rusty tones. How beautiful. Look at the archel section. 5200 only for this sari, and with the blouse section. Rongir Bahar. Oh, look at this. 5200. 5200. Keep selecting, otherwise you will be disappointed. Keep selecting fast. Dekhun, shari dekhun, this is only going for 5200. Bishnupur silk Azrak. 5200. Dekho, blouse piece. Look at this section. Blouse. And the black. Black ta to abar. Look at this black. What grace. 5200 taka daam, 5200. No discounts on these Azrak silks. 5200 only. Number 20. And the blouse section. Well, you can use in lot of other saris these blouses. Lovely. Number 21. $5,200. They're mustard, orange, rusty orange. We can't describe these colors. They're all from organic minerals and organic colors. They are from minerals also. They make the colors. 5,200 dear. 5,200 only. 5,200. This is the blouse section. Fast booking. These are a few things we keep telling you. We keep these things also for very handy. This is a very handy material. It's small like linen, but it's mixed with little bit of rayon. This goes for 2,200. Look at the black. Ki sundor butterfly diye koreche. With the silvery border. Look at this sari. So good. Very light to carry. I'll show you by opening. Very light. Very light, and the fall also comes in place. Very light to carry. This sari is for 2,100. We are giving 100 rupees less only for this. This is customary to give discount, so I am trying my best. This sari is going for 2,000 only, a fresh one for 2,000. Number 23. These are also on same very comfortable stuff. Batiks. They wanted to create something for the regular wear. Regular, you can wear these saris. The sari, the achal section, I've already looked at the achal. And the frontage and down below, this part of the sari is in panels with all bindi booty, but the color is very nice, army green. This goes for 2000. Actually 2100 I am giving for 2000. 24 number shari. This is 24. 24. Fresh summery green. Only there will be cool effect. Only for 1800. This is only for 1800. তুই দেখে দাঁড়িও না প্লিজ সামনে আমার এখানটাই দাঁড়াও না তুমি কাছেই 1800 okay and the look at the blouse section. These are all regular wear sarees going for 1800 only. 1800 only. All casual wear, light material saree, very light. These are also sarees which are kept at greenhouse for people who love to wear this kind. Look at the brightness. This is only for 1800. Number 25 goes for 1800 only. And the blouse section is again in bright what? Light egg yolk color. And the last one dear, I'll be finishing. অনেক শাড়ি দেখানো হয়ে গেল 26টা শাড়ি দেখালাম আমরা this is number 26 these are attractive ones they are like this number 26 this is for 2100 I am giving 100 rupees less on this saree 100 rupees less on this saree and I am finishing up with my episode now. So select the sarees and drop in to our WhatsApp message. That's all for today dear. Thank you.